Now, some more news from the U.S. The U.S. Supreme Court has now allowed President Donald Trump's administration to withhold nearly $4 billion in food aid, at least for now. Now, this decision means that 42 million low-income American households could face delays in receiving assistance this month as the federal government shutdown still continues in the country.
President Donald Trump's administration is allowed to withhold about $4 billion needed to fully fund the food aid program known as SNAP, or food stamps, for now. The U.S. Supreme Court gave the temporary green light late on Friday in an order called an administrative stay. It gives an appeals court extra time to consider the Trump team's request to only partially fund SNAP for November amid the federal government shutdown. The stay also pauses a U.S. district judge's ruling that the administration must fully fund the program by Friday. That came after the White House said it would provide $4.65 billion in emergency funding to partially cover SNAP benefits for the month. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program costs $8.5 to $9 billion a month to support 42 million low-income Americans. Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, who is assigned to review emergency appeals, issued the stay. She said the appeals court was expected to make a decision soon and set the stay to expire 2 days after the decision. SNAP benefits lapsed at the start of the month for the first time in the program's 60-year history. Recipients have turned to already strained food pantries and made sacrifices like foregoing medications to stretch tight budgets. The benefits are paid monthly to eligible Americans whose income is less than 130% of the federal poverty line. The maximum monthly benefit for the 2026 fiscal year is $298 for a one-person household and $546 for a two-person household.